How to check your screen time usage on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And from here, you want to tap on Screen Time. At the top, this will give you your screen time usage. And here it shows a graph of your daily average usage. It shows a graph of 1 week. And if you tap on CO app and web activity, this will give you more detail. So in here, you can view by the day, so usage by the day, usage by the week. Okay, so here, if we select weekly usage, we can tap on each of the bar graph here to view a detailed breakdown. So on Thursday, it will give you a breakdown, a 24 hours breakdown of your usage. And from here, it also tells you which app you use the most. So settings, 42 minutes. And for the phone application, I use up 1 minute. And for books app, I have used up 15 seconds, and so on. It also tells you how many times you pick up a phone in a day. Here you can see it shows on Tuesday, and then you can change the day to Wednesday or Thursday. So you can select a day from the bar graph to give you a quick info about how many times, the number of times you have picked up your device during the day. And here a further breakdown. When you first pick up your device, a total number of pickup times, first use after pickup, which is the first app you use when you pick up your phone, and also how many notifications you receive during that day. And then down here you've got which app send out the most notifications down to the list. And that's it. So that is your usage time, or the screen time usage in summary on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.